Good. Right, well, we'll take it off swearing channel. St Anne's, Nottingham, he said. So we've got this immaculate boxed Lowe TX40 from 1981, and it's now actually working. Somebody had taken out coil 17, put a crystal filter in its place, and thereby reduced the sensitivity to 3 microvolts. We've got it back to 0.59 microvolts. I've actually had to borrow a coil out of one of my sets, which wasn't a scrap set, so I'm just hoping we get a scrap PT40 type of board, or TX40 type of board, or Grandstand Hawk type of board, to be able to recover that back and then put mine back in a serviceable condition. I don't like pinching parts out of my own radios, obviously. So there we go, Lowe TX40, now doing 4 watts on channel 20, 3.95 watts on the band edges. Normally they don't do quite 4 watts, but this one does. So immaculate. I reckon somebody bought this when they cleared them at $29.95 in 1984. I reckon they then fancied themselves. I bet they didn't have any bleed over after the crystal filter instead of coil 11, because it was so deaf they wouldn't have got any bleed over. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger Dodger. I'll put my extension squeaker in and off we go.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
I'll use a standard replacement mic and won't make the mistake of using the products mic like I did with the Uniden yesterday.
Do let me know when you're ready.
And I will do, I've got to plug it in the right hole.
Roger.
Which I've now succeeded in doing.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing house and recording.
And on this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger that. No doggy daycare either.
How disappointing.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Doggy daycare either. Disappointing. Passing Ancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9. Roger Dodger, still open. Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads. What you got you going through Ancaster Crossroads? Roger. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner of Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
On the Lowe TX40 from 1981, and he's doing 4,000 over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, that's the replay for my Roger there. Roger, you stand by for the Union Expert, there you go.
Roger that. Right, we're square wheeled for the train again.
Oh, that'll get them excited.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Chippie turn.
Roger. Sorry, say again. Ah, roger that, yeah. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, so on this Lowe TX40 from 1981, using standard replace at light resistance for watts, so 1.1 amp. We're going to go to low power, set it to 400 milliwatts, and here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, the rate is now doing 485 milliamps, and doing 400 milliwatt output. We're back to full power, and there we are back on full power over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Bit noisy on low power, but it still came through the squelch and you were readable.
I can go when you're ready.
Roger that. Nearly caught by the level crossing at Rossby again, but we're moving again.
Roger on that.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, it's the usual 138.9, 144.7.
Roger, well, this works exceptionally well, so thank you very much.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol station price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yeah, it's the usual 138.9, 144.7.
Roger, well, this worked exceptionally well, so thank you very much, and 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
There you go, you can't argue over that, can you? But what a bonkers thing to do. I don't know. I'll go over to our base station, we'll see what it sounds like on this microphone, and we'll also get the factory original microphone out of the box, and we'll do it that way round, which is how we should have done it yesterday, going with the standard replacement mic instead of the dreadful Uniden one.
Tango 21 testing the Lowe TX40 into our Midland 76900 base station using the standard replacement coffin mic. We're at full power, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just in case there's a hum, we'll see if it diminishes on low power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on low power, back to full power, but these sets don't suffer from hum. Now we're going to go back to the original, no, we're not going to go back to it, we're going to, for the first time, try the factory original microphone. Tango 21 testing the Lowe TX40 with the factory original low coffin mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pop it on low power. There we're on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3. They're back to full power. Tomorrow is the final set in this customer's batch, and it is a boxed Cybernet Beta 3000. So thank you for watching the Lowe TX40 from 1981.